Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a quick and straightforward tutorial on how to remove your Apple Cash card from your wallet. Whether you are cleaning up your digital wallet or just need to make some space, I have got you covered with easy steps for all your Apple devices. Let's get started. For iPhone users, open the Wallet app. Start by tapping on the Wallet app icon on your iPhone. Select your card. Find the Apple Cash card you want to remove and tap on it. Access options. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Remove the card. Look for the remove this card option and tap it. Confirm your choice and voila, it's gone. For Apple Watch users, open the Watch app on your repaired iPhone. Open the Apple Watch app. Navigate to Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on My Watch, then find Wallet and Apple Pay. Select your card. Scroll down to locate your Apple Cash card. Remove it. Tap Remove this card or directly on your Apple Watch. Select the card, fold it and tap Remove card. For iPad users, go to Settings. Open the Settings app on your iPad. Find Wallet and Apple Pay. Scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Select your card. Choose the card you wish to delete. Remove it. Tap Remove card at the bottom of the screen. For Mac users, open System Preferences. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner and select System Preferences. Navigate to Wallet and Apple Pay. Look for Wallet and Apple Pay. Select your card. Click on the card you want to remove. Delete it. Clicking the minus sign to remove it. And there you have it. Removing your Apple Cash card from any of your devices is quick and easy with these steps. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Got questions or need any further assistance? Drop a comment below and I'll be sure to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.